Hey there, I'm so excited to share some of our Mother's Day must-haves, and the best part, these are available right now. They're limited edition, but while supplies last, so once they're gone, they're gone. Now, if you're already starting to think about gifts for moms, grandmas, daughters, or honestly a gift for yourself, because yep, we deserve it too, this collection is going to be one of those that you wish you grabbed it if you didn't kind of thing. So we're going to first take a look at this whole collection. And look how pretty. This is called the Primrose Collection, and everything coordinates. The colors are soft, feminine, and honestly just really feel like a spa at home. So I'm going to start with one of my favorites, and I'm wearing it right now. That is the hair wrap. So this is not your typical hair towel. It's made with super soft, velvety waffle weave microfiber. And what that means is that it's going to absorb water super fast. So instead of rough drying our hair or blasting it with tons of heat, this gently draws the water out for you. So that means less time blow drying, less damage, and healthier, shinier hair. It is lightweight. I just love these. Super comfy and fits all head sizes. And if you have a ton of hair or just a short hair, it's going to fit you just fine. You just twist it, loop it in the back, and you're done. And you will literally have a little spa moment at home. So next, I'm going to show you the spa wrap. This is in that same velvety, soft microfiber. This actually, all of these dry faster than cotton. This is going to give you a secure fit. It has a nice Velcro. I'm a size 10, 12, so it does have a lot of room here to fit multiple sizes. And it really just makes you feel put together when you're getting ready. And just look how cute it is. It is great. It's also, in my opinion, makes a really great gift. It's something that feels luxurious, but it's also very practical. When you add the eye mask, I love the eye mask. And it's not just cute. This is practical. It blocks out the light so you can get better sleep, whether you're sleeping at night or maybe napping on the plane or car ride. We all know better sleep equals probably better everything. It is soft, padded, and you can actually wear it on either side. So you have this really nice plushy side or this super silky flowered side. It really just makes everything nicer when we can get a good night's sleep, block the sun out, and really relax. Us moms deserve that. So we also have some dual-sided makeup removers that match this collection, and these are available in the limited edition prints. Again, this is the Primrose Collection. You use these with just water. So one side removes your sunscreen, foundation, and the other side is perfect for waterproof mascara, eyeliner, some of those stubborn things that we use. And here's the crazy part about these dual-sided makeup removers. This little set can replace 730 disposable makeup wipes. So not only are we avoiding those harsh chemicals, but we're actually saving money, and our skin will feel clean and not stripped at all. Now, if you really want to build the ultimate gift set, or even just treat yourself, I'm going to show you some of my favorite add-on items that actually match this collection perfectly. So let's put that up here. So the first one is our body and face scrub mitt. This is incredible because one side cleanses, the other side exfoliates with just water. No soaps, no questionable ingredients. It helps remove dead skin so our skin looks smoother and brighter. Now we also have a matching back scrubber. This is great. This is actually a game changer. It has little handles so you can get the back with barely trying. It exfoliates and cleanses without needing all of those chemical-filled body washes. And then finish that off with the ultra hydrating body lotion. And now you've got a full self-care routine. Like how spa-like is that? Cleanse, exfoliate, hydrate, and glow. And honestly, the colors in all of this together are just really gorgeous. It would make a beautiful gift bundle, whether that's for yourself or someone you love. And one more thing you don't want to miss. Right now, we have some awesome spend and saves going on where you can actually grab some of our skincare must-haves for only $15 each when you qualify. You can get up to 2 items. Now this is a huge savings. It's like 70% off. So if you've been wanting to try some skincare, it is the time to do it, or would even make a great gift for mom. So I'm going to show you my gift basket. How pretty does that look? We've got all the matching coordinating colors. So whether you're putting together a gift or grabbing something thoughtful but useful, or maybe just upgrading your own routine, these are the kind of products that people will actually use every single day, and they're gonna love them. And again, they are limited edition. So once they sell out, they are gone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have an amazing day.